Hello and welcome. This is Saqib Mustafa. In this Google Maps scraping tutorial, I am going to show you how to scrape Google business listings with the best Google Maps scraping tool. For one of my clients, I scraped data from over 6,000 companies within just a few hours. This database represents the top 6,000 cleaning services companies across 50 cities in the USA. Each of these files contains data sheets of 5 cities. For example, this sheet contains data from Dallas City, and you can see the business name, full address, and then the city name. After that, we have the phone numbers from Google Maps, which we can use for cold calling. Then we have the phone numbers from the company's website as well. We also got business emails from the website, which is amazing. That means the Google Maps scraper we are using not only scrape data from Google Maps, but also extracted contact details from websites. On the other hand, having business emails of each company is a gold mine for cold email marketing and getting business deals. Then we have the website of each company. After that, we also have the total ratings count and average rating, which provide a solid idea about a business's size. Next, we have the Google My Business URL and review URL. And finally, the very interesting part, this Google Maps scraper software also scrapes all the available social media links, including Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, which is very helpful to always stay connected with your leads. To sum up, data scraping from Google Maps with this method gives a wide open door to make a connection with a business in any part of the world via phone numbers, emails, and all the available social media. Just sending only 50 cold emails per day with a 1% conversion rate can potentially get you up to 10-15 fresh clients every month. Now let's learn how you can scrape data from Google Maps with business contacts. First, click the link in the description and go to Lead Sniper's official website. Then navigate to Products and click on Google Maps Scraper. This powerful Google Maps Scraper software has a free trial, so you can check how it works before purchasing. Also, this tool has a lifetime plan, which means you pay only once and can use this tool forever for unlimited lead scraping. They also have 24/7 live chat support. I use the live chat via Telegram and WhatsApp. They usually reply instantly and sometimes within a few hours. Now, click on Get Started for free to install the trial version. On this page, they have shown the steps to install the extension, but you can just follow along with me. Click on Download and open the download folder. Then we need to unzip the zip file. A new folder appears. Inside this folder is our installation file. Go back to Chrome and navigate to Manage Extensions. Here we need to turn on developer mode. Then simply drag and drop the installation file. Finally, our Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper extension is installed. You should pin the plugin for easy access. Now, if I click on the Lead Sniper icon, this is the scraper's interface. You can see this is just a trial version, so we can scrape only a limited number of leads with the trial version. We need a license key to activate the premium plan for unlimited leads, so head back to the Lead Sniper website and click on Buy Now. Lead Sniper has 3 packages with lifetime access and unlimited use. The only difference is how many devices you can use the plugin on. If you need the scraper of only one device, then you can go with the starter plan. To purchase, simply click Buy Now and fill out the form with your card details, or you can use PayPal. In both cases, a license key will be sent to your email. I have already purchased the starter plan and they sent me the license key, so I just need to activate the premium plan. Finally, we have the premium version of Lead Sniper. Now we need to create keywords for scraping. To build the keywords, I am going to take help from ChatGPT. Let's ask ChatGPT to provide us with a list of the top 50 cities in the USA. Then add cleaning services in before each city name. Our keywords list is ready, so let's copy and paste these keywords into the keyword field. Now click on Start, and you can see Google Maps has opened and Lead Sniper is scraping all the business listings one by one. As I mentioned, Lead Sniper also extracts phone numbers and emails from each website. So that means this Google Maps scraper has a built-in website extractor. It is extremely helpful, especially if you want to run cold email marketing campaigns. Since Google Maps no longer provides the email addresses of businesses, we now need to scrape the company's website to collect them. In a nutshell, Lead Sniper is the best Google Maps scraper currently available on the market. From my personal experience, it can scrape over 4,000 leads per hour from Google Maps. So if you have this tool, I don't think you will ever face a shortage of leads for your business. Within just a few minutes, it has scraped more than 160 leads. If you keep running this scraper and your computer, it can scrape thousands of leads within just a few hours. Now I am going to stop the scraping to show how to download the data file. Click on Stop and then click on Export. You can download your data file in both CSV and Excel formats, and you can also select the data fields you want to include in your database. So this is how you can scrape unlimited leads from Google Maps. I hope this video provides value for your time. Thank you so much for watching.